Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to link Excel to WhatsApp so that you can send messages directly from your spreadsheet. This can be a handy tool for automating your messaging tasks and saving time. So let's get started. For example, here when I click send message, that will open WhatsApp directly. But for me, I don't have WhatsApp on my laptop. If you have WhatsApp open, will open directly. So let's get started. I have three numbers here. So in cell D1, type this equal hyperlink, double quotation, HTTPS, then dot me, then double quotation, then select the cell or is the number B1, then send message, then double quotation, close parenthesis, enter. As you can see here, select all and center, then so now when I click here, we'll open directly WhatsApp. To apply this for all the cells, double click here or just drag it. Click again on the second number, as you can see. The third one, thank you for watching.